How to add Morrisons card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Unfortunately, you cannot directly add the Morrisons gift card to Apple Wallet from the Wallet app itself. Instead, you need to use the Morrisons app to add your card to Apple Wallet. To do that, launch the Morrisons app on your iPhone and sign in to your Morrisons account or create a new one if you do not already have an account. Now, locate and access the My Morrisons card section within the app and look for an option to add to Apple Wallet or add to wallet. Tap on that option and the Morrisons card should be added to your Apple Wallet. And if you don't see an option to add the card to Apple Wallet within the Morrisons app, it's possible that this feature might not be available yet. In that case, you can keep an eye open on app updates or check Morrisons' official website for any announcements regarding Apple Wallet integration. For the most up-to-date instructions, please refer to the latest information from Morrisons or Apple. So, this is how you can add Morrisons card to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.